The top section of the citrus juicer is used to protect and to stop dust collecting inside the machine. This is removed by lifting off. It can be used for collecting leftover skins after juicing. The auger on the top can also be removed by lifting upwards. The strainer is also removed by lifting upwards. And the base with the non-drip spout is removed in the same way. The following parts are dishwasher safe: the lid, the auger and the strainer. The base with the spout must be washed by hand. To begin juicing, simply press the fruit directly on top of the auger and it will spin once pressure is applied. The juice will collect in the base. Position a glass underneath the spout and press down to release the juice. To stop the flow, simply push the spout upwards.